Access to quality eye care remains a challenge for many patients and surgeons, especially in rural areas. For 18 years, Akriti Ophthalmic has been dedicated to developing innovative and affordable eye care solutions to bridge this gap.
Akriti is headquartered in Hyderabad, emerged as a beacon of medical device industry.
Accreti was established in 2007. In recent times, the government is promoting Make in India products to generate employment and for the betterment of the society.
For 18 years, Akriti have been the forefront of transforming eye care in India. Akriti focus in developing the new innovation where usage of this product to doctors and patients have become simple.
What distinguishes a full-range eye care manufacturer is its ability to produce ophthalmic products at scale while adhering to strict quality standards.
Akriti is able to manufacture 100,000 eyewear products, about 20,000 eye implants for local plastic surgeries, 75,000 eye shields, 25,000 safety glasses, and 75,000 eye boxes, and many other products every single day. I would say it's one of the biggest company in ophthalmology right now exists in the country.
We use injection molding units, robust assembly line, mass train technology, and high-speed lens cutting and fitting technology to produce wide range of eyewear products and other eye care products. The quality management system complies with ISO 13485 and CDSCO standards, ensuring our clients that nothing but the best is delivered.
Accreti offers a wide range of products, but without a doubt, EyeSafe and Eyewear are the most sought after.
EyeSafe is an Akriti safety product portfolio which includes safety eye glasses and eye shields, which are essential to be used during surgery or post-surgery, and we are providing eye shields for single use and sterile to the patients. Eyewear is a trade name of Akriti Ophthalmic Eyewear product, which Accreti is specialized in manufacturing with high quality polymer and delicately crafted to look and feel great to the users.
Amniotic membrane is valued across various medical fields for its natural healing properties, promoting tissue regeneration, reducing inflammation, and supporting recovery.
Amniotic membrane is harvested from human placenta, usually discarded after the baby delivery. We are now having the ethical sourcing of the placenta from the institution hospitals, processing in our own in-house lab, making sure the product is manufactured with the highest quality, keeping the all technicality or integrity of the membrane in place. And also this is being manufactured now in the two different formats. One is basically the cryogenic, which is maintained on a very -80-degree temperature. And the second one actually is a dehydrated amniotic membrane. It's coming with a three different format. It's actually a patch, square design. We are also manufacturing form of discs, which can be used inside the OPD, in the OPD itself, over the things. And we also come up with the other product, which is actually amniotic membrane coated over a PM ring, which can be directly inserted on the eye, where you don't need to put any suture or any glue on that part. Keeping this particular portfolio of the dehydrated and cryogenic amniotic membrane, I'm sure we are able to cater large number of the disease, ophthalmology, along with the other area like we are talking diabetic wound care, other stuff as well.
Accreti's innovations extend beyond addressing ophthalmic challenges to include measurable impacts on community well-being.
Akriti is very dedicated to deliver affordable eye care products. With the help of Akriti, Telangana government screened 100,000 children in various schools.
We are very proud that we could able to reach to each and every location. We have delivered almost 5 big projects in the country, deliver almost 12 million eyewear to the users over last 3 to 4 years at the duration. Right now also, currently while we are talking it, close to 6,000 children are being tested, and the eyewears are going to manufacture for them and deliver in 3 to 4 days to them. Talking to international export, we are exporting to over 60 plus countries, Asia, Africa, Middle East and South America.
Accreti is one of the most trusted brands in the industry, not just in India, but in my country also. Their products are very good.
Akriti Ophthalmic products have been serving the community not just nationally but regionally and globally, with a wide array of essential instruments and products and devices which has otherwise been inaccessible to several ophthalmologists.
Their commitment to quality and innovation has enabled them to deliver these world-class products from India to countries across the globe.
Akriti Ophthalmic has participated in numerous international conferences, sharing its ophthalmic solutions with the global eye care community. Up next, what to expect from Accreti at APAO 2025.
APAO 2025 is a very interesting meeting as we have a delegation coming from 170 plus countries, and we will be showcasing our amniotic membrane variants along with the post-operative care product to the users. We remain committed to innovation, essential and affordable solutions that can make a real difference in the people worldwide. At Accreti, we don't just manufacture product, we create solutions that change life.